Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. After the last video, my aching back has decided to take it easy for this painting. It's been a while since I've painted a simple floral landscape anyway, so it seemed quite timely. I'm in a festive mood, ready for the Thanksgiving holiday and the sales galore on Black Friday. But quite frankly, I've long given up on shopping when sales are on in physical stores. It's a battlefield out there. Long queues to try on clothes, manic and frantic attempts to find sizes on the good ones left, if any. I'd much rather be furiously clicking on the mouse behind the computer screen like a dark overlord and skip the insanity. I've always wondered why a day of discounts had such a somber name. Wouldn't Yellow Friday or Green Friday sound a little happier for shopping? Well, the popular belief was that the term Black Friday derives from the concept that businesses operate at a financial loss or are in the red until the day after Thanksgiving when massive sales finally allow them to turn a profit or put them in the black. Black Friday was also first coined in 1869 when the stock market crashed into a free fall and sending stocks into a huge discount. But apparently it's less about financial markets or P&L, but it started later in the 1960s when police officers in Philadelphia began using the phrase Black Friday to describe the chaos that resulted when large numbers of suburban tourists came into the city to begin their holiday shopping. So all these huge crowds created a headache for the police who worked longer shifts than usual as they dealt with traffic jams, accidents, shopliftings and other issues, hence calling it Black Friday. For me, I'm just glad it's a half day. Ever since I've moved to Malaysia, I've been missing out on so many local public holidays. It's crazy, there's like a long weekend nearly every month, or maybe a month's worth of public holidays combined. And the craziest part is, I don't get to enjoy any of it. No thanks to my work. It's like having your favorite dish right in front of you but you can't eat it. Anyway, back to the painting. These are wild cosmos flowers. I couldn't resist adding just a little bit of bouquet in the background. I promise, the red umbrella is back in the next video. I hope you like this simple piece, hence without further ado, let's begin.
Found a way, thought I found a way, but you never go away, so I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope sometime when I can find one near what I feel alive outside. I can't find found a way, thought I found a way, but you never go away, so I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope sometime when I can find one near what I feel alive outside. I can't find always on my mind, always in my headspace. But I know someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night. Oh, one day is leaving place too hard, but I can't find one. This one I feel that I'm outside. I can't find my fear. Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope sometime, but I can't find one. It wanna feel alive outside. I can't find. Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday